One of the most expensive and most important instrument for endoscopic spine surgery is this endoscope. This is a very expensive piece of equipment and nobody wants it to get damaged easily and break down, and we also need to clean and sterilize it. So in this video I will tell you how to take care of your scope and how to clean and sterilize it in a proper manner. For cleaning of the scope, first I use Savlon, which is soapy in nature, to grossly remove any blood or tissue which has accumulated. And you can use the Savlon softly over the lens also, so any blood or any debris which is sticking to the lens also gets cleaned. So this is diluted Savlon, which is mild detergent action and it is easy to remove. After this, I use Savlon to flush the channels. By attaching a syringe, I flush both the channels like this, and this is the irrigation and suction channel and the working channel, and then use repeatedly NS till all this excess Savlon is flushed out, like this, till all the Savlon is flushed out, and use NS to quickly wipe. Like, share and subscribe for more medical insights. If you have any questions or topics you want us to cover, comment below. We'll be happy to create a video for you. This is Dr. Varun Agarwal, specialist in advanced robotics and endoscopic spine surgery. Then dry it. Use the spirit to wipe your scope. And then use a dry mop to mop and dry this entire scope. And lightly over the lens, use a fresh mop, soft mop, and dry the entire scope. And you can use the airgun again through the ports to flush out any excess water. So you can see how much excess water which gets accumulated inside. This excess water which is the cause of rust. So just few quick dabs like this, not very rough, and the scope is clean. And then we can pack it and give it for sterilization after thoroughly drying it. Always ensure that your instruments are thoroughly dry before you send them for any sterilization or autoclaving, because this residual moisture is the cause of rust in the instruments.